Hi students, welcome to Sridhar CC Ananthapuram YouTube channel and welcome to our session, editorial analysis session. You people already are familiar with this session. What do we discuss in this session? We start with the quote of the day for the motivation purpose. So we have started this root words to memorize the vocabulary to the maximum extent. And people we started it even in alphabetical order, and idiomatic or phrasal expressions basing on this exam point of view, very critical, very typical, very important. Next, editorial vocab, which comprises content vocabulary along with the parts of speech, even phrasal expressions related to that editorial, and also idiomatic expressions related to that editorial are discussed in this. Next, analysis related to the editorial of the day, and the last but not the least, test of the day is discussed, which are very useful to the upcoming exams. And let's get to the quote of the day. If you focus on success, you will have stress. That's obvious. Success, when do I get success? When do I get success? It's just a sort of stress. The only thing you need to do is you need to pursue your excellence. Excellence means excellence in your work, in your job, in your effort, in your preparation. Excel yourself in your things. Success will be guaranteed. No pressure, no stress. Success will be guaranteed. I guess let's get to idiomatic expressions. Except, not expect. Don't get confused. Except for means other than, apart from, separating something. This car is classic, this car is excellent except for the high price. It's not except the high price, your mind accepts. That's why the thing is SSC related error locations. This kind of things also more to ask, because a small kind of confusion is enough to lose the mark. Expect to, especially the be verb, be plus expect plus to. Be verbs means be, been, being, am, is, or was, were. That's it. The politicians are expected to work towards the betterment of the country. Of course, the politicians are expected that without to its value, it's invalid. Expect X of Y. Expect something of a person. Expect, anticipate means hoping that someone will do something. The man is expected better, something better of whom? Of Adam. So you immediately convince to this point from, which is obviously wrong. Be careful. Next, today's root words, we started B-E-L-L or B-E-L-L-I. It's about war or quarrel or fight. Examples: bellicose, noun, which is warlike, completely warlike condition. Belligerent, which is adjective, belligerent attitude, belligerent mentality, belligerent person, hostile or ready to fight, always ready to quarrel. Rebel, which is a pretty familiar word to all of us, a person who opposes and fights for a cause. By, bi or bin, so this root stands for two or twice or once into every two. Biannual, this thing we got yesterday. ANN stands for year, BS stands for two, happening twice a year. Biathlon. Athlon is a root related to sports, sporting event combining two things. One is rifle shooting and the next one is cross country skiing. Next, binoculars, optical device with two lenses. Next, bilateral, which is a regular formal word in the formal articles. Bilateral, unilateral. Bilateral means involving two sides. Unilateral means having only one side. Next one, lay bare. What is that? Lay bare. Lay, laid. So to keep something openly, or to keep something exposed, to keep something uncovered, right? Here bear also has a homophone, that is B-E-A-R, which means an animal in the noun sense, which means to tolerate in verb sense, B-A-R, bear, bore, born. Here B-A-R is pure adjective. Lay bare means openly, without having anything, without hiding anything. Entrenched, mixed up with, established with, ingrained with. Prejudice, a preconceived, preoccupied thought about someone, either positively or negatively. Especially in this context, discrimination. Regressive, progressive means towards future, regressive means towards the past. Trait, personality traits, quality or characteristic or attribute or feature. Misogyny, it involves two roots. Mis stands for hatred and gyne stands for gynecology. Gynecology means GYN, GYN means woman or female. So this feeling of hatred of women is called as misogyny or prejudice, like fixed to an opinion about women, especially negatively. Voyeurism is noun, voyeuristic is adjective, like having pleasure or enjoying the pain of others, like looking at others' pain, having that enjoyment is called as voyeuristic feeling. Glee is pure delight or pleasure. Next, all hell breaks loose, it's an idiomatic expression which becomes confused situation, uncontrollable confused situation. A warlike situation is all hell breaks loose. Foul play, foul means wrongdoing, play, like it's a kind of phrasal expression even. Unfair or dishonest action is called as foul play. Next, grief stricken, grief means sadness, stricken means affected, devastated, heartbroken, upset, stressful, sorrowful. Abetment, encouraging, assisting someone to commit especially some crime, some wrong thing. Pounced, pounce means attacking someone suddenly. Gold digger, a person, especially a woman, like who engages in a type of relationship, transactional relationship, especially for money, instead of love. Next, set, hail from, where do you hail from, where are you from, so what is your native place? Hail means like about native place. Poll bond, election related, destined or guaranteed to have election, approaching. Fodder means actually food, here in this context for a particular purpose. Very useful thing is fodder. Decency, dignity, like morality, dignity, propriety, not property, correctness. Grill, grill means but here grill is used in verb form, that means to question or cross-examine. Probe is purely a formal, grill is a little informal. Activist, who supports a political or societal change cause, person. Speaking up means to express one's opinion, especially against something openly. Guilty, remember this word, culpable, culprit, like at fault, responsible for something, misconduct. Erupt means appearing or breaking out, start suddenly. Vague, unclear, imprecise, uncertain, inexact. Playouts, to happen, to make something happen, to occur. Blood sport, contest involving bloodshed. Voice, opinion or view or comment. Overrule, rejecting something or disallowing something. Override and cancel. Let's get to the editorial of the day. Something rotten means which is spoiled on Sushant Singh Rajput death and the media mob, the mob related to media. So what sort of things are happening post the death or demise of Sushant Singh is the discussion point here. The death of Sushant appears to have laid bare, like uncovered, deeply entrenched, embedded social prejudices, intolerances clearly in this case. So a young talented Bollywood actor tragically ended his life on June 14th, which is very like everybody familiar with. But the events that followed Sushant Singh Rajput's death by suicide have been even more shocking. The things which we need to discuss right now is the post-demise incidents. The events that on full display in the subsequent weeks or later weeks that continues after the death weeks were some of the worst regressive traits, means went back to past, like past traits, characteristic features of Indian society have been visible in this case. So like what sort of things? Misogyny is clearly exhibited in this case, like some people started opposing the person, whoever involved in this. Invasion of privacy, so privacy of person has been invaded, attacked. Voyeuristic glee means like enjoying other people's pain and having happiness also is enjoyed, especially loss of clarity is also exhibited in this case. All hell broke loose means everything started uncontrollable, especially when this family accused a girl named that actor's girlfriend Riya Chakraborty of foul play, some dishonest actions, and even that grief stricken, that upset, that painful, stressful, depressed father said she had poisoned his son. And even he filed an FIR charging Riya with what? Abetment to suicide, means encouraged this person to suicide. A crime punishable by up to 10 years in prison. A section of the media pounced, attacked Riya, terming her a gold digger. For what? for money. So she existed in a relationship instead of love, and handed out instant verdicts. Even instant judgments were done in the newsroom. So here the most interesting thing is, anchors in India, they have the least time about the most important problems, like so 4 million COVID-19 cases were crossed by India, and even 23.9% GDP contraction occurred in India, and one more, heightened border tensions are also appeared in India. But all these things, to discuss all these things, anchors have the least time, but they have more time to discuss this particular case of Sushant Singh Rajput. That Sushant hailed from, so what are the causes, like if you go into those, so he hailed from pole bound Bihar, point one. Added a political dimension also, impossible to ignore here. Actor reported to have, so what are the things have been reported in this case? So suffering from depression. He lived in Mumbai, so which is now ruled by Shiv Sena, which is a partner of BJP, and so together with the National Party, so Congress Party, all these things involved. So and this became a political fodder, food. So with this, they crossed the limits of decency. Even they drew in some Bollywood celebrities into this case. 3 top government agencies. What are those? ED, Enforcement Directorate, CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, and NCB, Narcotics Control Bureau. Grilled, questioned, probed Rhea for days. The NCB finally arrested on September 8th. So linking with what? Linking her to drugs case in Sushant Singh's death probe. Rhea has denied, so she even denied any wrongdoing, telling the media that she didn't speak after his demise because of the respect and the grief related to that passing away. So whether she has committed the crime or not, the law will decide. But the thing is, she and her family fought this battle, spotlights firmly on Indian society here, according to the author, because it's deeply entrenched prejudice, intolerances have been clearly visible in this case. Because so here 2 things can be discussed. Women's rights activities are fighting for Rhea because they spoke up against the demonization. Very important word. Demonetization is different again. Demonization means demon, D-E-M-O-N. Demon means devil. Like making someone evil is called as demonization. Demonization of Rhea, they opposed it. Like this gender, her gender, next her clothes, the wear, the undefined, all these became a matter of rumors, controversies in this case. All these things played a role. What is perhaps more disturbing? The more disturbing thing is that many women, so they are far from empathizing this girl in that circumstance, who lost her boyfriend. They started like pronounce Rhea guilty of many number of doings. Even that particular people could erupt, appear, like they became very happy with the joy at her arrest on charges not linking directly to the death of Rajput, but it's so this clearly is an indication that vague, unclear demands of justice. So actually, whoever is weeping for the death of this particular actor, they should stick on to that. But they are feeling happy because of what she was arrested, not linking to the death. That means, so their demands of justice is vague. Have played out a blood sport, like it seems like a contest to make her to get into the prison. A mob, particularly some kind of people exist. They seem to find its voice, like their opinion, through TV anchors and the media. They appear to have overruled or rejected the ideas of justice, fairness, and even the law. They don't want anything, so according to their view, so according to the anchors and media speakers, so this particular voice raises their voice. It is important that India's criminal justice system, so finally at the end of the day, so which is very important, means criminal justice system should deliver the justice in this case. That's it. Let's get to the test of the day. Here you got 2 statements which you need to connect them using a connector which is given there. So check this. Indian troops are engaged in a standoff. Massive build-up had again begun in. So when this began, these are engaged. So that shows as massive build-up had again begun in finger area, Indian troops are engaged in leg. Next, second one. India has not been able to patrol beyond Finger Fort since April last week. China amassed troops along the line of. So when it was not able, So it amassed troops. So probably, possibly when. Next, the build-up on the north bank becomes even as the attention has shifted to areas. The Indian army has been dominating the ridges, and so this is about places. That's why where can be the build-up. The Indian army has been dominating the ridges and hills in the Chuzul area, where the build-up on north bank becomes even as the attention had shifted. Next set, please. The number of cases has gone up. The positivity rate was 7.4, the lowest in September. Here the thing is, to our contrast, like positivity rate was lowest, but the number of cases has gone. So which one gives that sense? Though positivity rate was 7.4, the lowest in September, the number of cases has gone up. Next, the last but not the least, arrangements to maintain social distancing were ensured. Business owners remained cautious over the way. So two parallel actions. While business owners remained cautious over the way forward given low footfall, arrangements to maintain social distancing were ensured. So while can give the best possible answer. Okay, that's all for the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed the class. So the thing is, more are yet to come. We are soon going to live with few more snippets, with few more activities in our session. Like our motto, once again I'm reminding you guys, so our motto, our objective of this session is to make you to get the maximum benefit within the shortest time at the early morning. Right, guys, thank you for watching, and the last but not the least, don't forget to like. Thank you, signing off.